Gone are the days when you could survive on only one income. However, things are much different today, and in order to get ahead, you must find ways to increase your income. A new trend now is to start a side hustle, whether it's driving for Uber, Lyft, Postmates, DoorDash, etc. With technological advancements and the development of apps, you can start a side hustle while maintaining a full-time 9-to-5 job. If you want to get ahead today, you must start a side hustle. No matter where you are or what you do for a living, with access to the internet, making money is no longer a chore. As long as you know how to access the vast amount of opportunities found in the digital world, you can earn some extra income, even if you're in a tight bind. Before we continue, make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for regular videos on how to improve your personal finance and grow your wealth. Starting a side hustle offers some advantages depending on which option you choose. Some side hustles offer you the opportunity to make money while being able to take advantage of tax deductions for business expenses. The net effect is, starting your side hustle allows you to make extra income which you can put towards paying off debt, starting and growing a business, and also for investing. Either way, select a method that fits your skill set and make sure you deliver great value. 1. Sell items on eBay or Craigslist. One of the best ways you can make money if you're in a bind is to sell items on eBay or Craigslist. Any used items such as furniture, household appliances, collectibles, or anything that you're no longer using, can be sold online to make some money. If you put in the effort, you can even do this for others and collect a small commission for each sale. All you have to do is take quality photos and write great descriptions for your clients. 2. Drive for Uber or Lyft. One of the most common side hustles for making money is to drive for Uber or Lyft. The ride-sharing economy has literally exploded, with Uber and Lyft leading the way. The best part is, you have the ability to turn on and off your availability through these networks with a simple click of a button, allowing you to make money no matter what time of day or night. 3. Deliver for Postmates. Another great side hustle is to deliver for Postmates. Similar to driving for Uber and Lyft, you can work whenever you want. While the pay might not be great, you do have the ability to earn tips. This is a great way to earn some cash and you don't even need a car. 4. Rent your spare room on Airbnb. Airbnb offers a great resource for people that are willing to rent out a spare room or even their entire home. If you're strapped for cash, then Airbnb offers you an avenue for generating extra income. With Airbnb, you get paid 24 hours after a guest checks in, which is to avoid any problems or potential scams. Most individuals earn income just from renting out rooms or homes on Airbnb. 5. Manage social media for small businesses. Most small businesses need a social media manager and simply don't have the time nor the expertise to constantly post on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter. To get started, you can contact local businesses and offer your services for a monthly retainer. This is an easy way to make money no matter where you live. 6. Sell services on Fiverr. Fiverr pioneered the gig economy. Services start out at $5, while some Fiverr sellers earn six-figure incomes. You can offer almost any service on Fiverr. However, to become a super seller, you need to deliver great value, even at these low prices. 7. Tutor using Skype. You can be a tutor over Skype, no matter where you live. This is great if you're a digital nomad and looking to earn money on a consistent basis. One of the best places to offer your services is in Asia. 8. Start a blog. Starting a blog won't make you money right away. However, if you start a blog and deliver great value to your target audience, you could be earning serious passive income. All that is required of you is just a few hours of work per week, and you must stay consistent and post great content regularly. 9. Create an online course. Another great side hustle is to create an online course using platforms such as Udemy or Teachable. Depending on how much time you invest in your course, you could earn a substantial side income by creating courses that deliver great value. 10. Write an ebook. Using platforms like KDP and CreateSpace, both owned by Amazon, you can easily create and sell ebooks. Ebooks cost nothing to produce, and paperbacks earn you money only when they are sold, making it very easy to publish. If you found this valuable, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below saying, "I subscribed," and I will try my best to reply to your comment. See you in my next video.